Welcome to coastal Georgia, pressure washing, your go-to destination for top-notch commercial and residential pressure washing services in coastal Georgia. Worried about potential damage from high-pressure washing? Fear not. We use a technique called soft washing. It's a gentle yet effective clean, safe for siding, shingles, roof tiles, windows, brick, concrete, wood, and other surfaces that can be damaged by high-pressure washing. From sidewalks to parking lots, entrances, and more, coastal Georgia pressure washing keeps your business clean, healthy, and inviting. Our pressure washers use advanced technology and eco-friendly products to remove dirt, pollen, algae, mold, mildew, bird droppings, and other contaminants. We work around your schedule, even after hours, to thoroughly clean and sanitize your business's exterior surfaces, ensuring exceptional results. And if graffiti is a concern, we're the local pressure washing service you can count on to get it done. Why choose us? Because at Coastal Georgia Pressure Washing, your 100% satisfaction is our #1 priority. We don't consider the job done until you're completely happy. Call today for a cleaner tomorrow.